So here's how you can get items on Temu for literally $0. There's no BS in this, it actually works. So you want to watch this full video so you don't miss out on any critical steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is open our Temu account and then head on over to the U section on the bottom. Now, once you have done that, you want to make sure that you have made an account first. So go over to settings, sign up for an account if you haven't already. And the key thing that you need to do is make sure that you set your country and region to the United States at the very bottom. You also want to make sure that you check that your currency is also set as USD. So once you have all those things done, go back and you're going to find an option that says earn credits and free gifts. Go ahead and click on that option. And now, as you can see, you can be brought up to a bunch of different options. You can literally make PayPal Cash with these methods, but you can also get free gifts at the very top, as you can see. So go ahead and click on Get Now. And then now you can be brought up to this landing page. So go ahead and click on the back arrow. And now you can see that it's going to be a bunch of different options for you to choose from that have a price tag of $0. They have monitors for $0, watches, more monitors, and they have a lot of different things, even phones for $0. So this is really, really cool. And the way to get these for literally just $0, let's say I want these sandals right over here. Click on Pick First Item. And then now you want to choose your size or whatever options they have for you. So go ahead and choose those. I'm going to choose a white color. Actually, no, I'm going to choose beige. And then click on Confirm the Gift. And then so you have confirmed the first free gift. All right, that's awesome. And then so at the bottom, you can see you can actually pick up to 5 gifts completely for free. But I'm just going to go ahead and choose one because I don't really want 5. And then click on Confirm on the right-hand side. And then now it's going to give you this option. Just simply click on I'm good. And then now it's going to confirm your address. If you don't have an address yet, then you want to go ahead and type in your address so that way they can actually ship it to you. And then click on Confirm Address. And as you can see, now you're going to be landed to a flip a card page. So go ahead and pick on any one of these cards. It does not really matter. As you can see, it basically moves that number down. And so as you can see, the total value on these were $7.39, but we now brought it down to $7. And essentially, you want to bring that number down to 0 in order to claim the gift. Now, you're probably asking, how do I bring that number down to 0? What you want to do is click on Invite Friends to get free gifts, and then Temu is going to give you a referral code or a referral link. You can choose to use whichever one you want. And once you have copied those, if you promote that enough to enough people, and then they use your code or link to either download the Temu app or buy things, then you earn a commission. Then that commission can lower down that number to $0. I believe you'll need a couple of referrals and you can literally get the item completely for free. So go ahead and click on Invite Friends to get free gifts. So go ahead and click on Copy Link or Copy Code. It doesn't really matter. Maybe next time. And once you have copied it, you can promote it everywhere. You can send it to any of your friends on social media like Instagram. Just send them DMs telling them to download using your link. And you're going to be surprised at how many people is actually going to download using your link, which is going to make you a lot of money. And on top of that, you can also promote your link on social media. And I suggest using TikTok because I've seen a lot of these Temu videos blowing up on TikTok for no reason. So go ahead and post it all over social media. And you're going to see that if you only get a couple thousand views, let's say 2,000 to 3,000, that's actually going to give you pretty much enough referrals for you to get the item completely for free.